We've got a number of great manufacturers, number one of which is Boston Whaler, but it's the dealers that really make. You're the guys who are on the front line, and this is with an old friend of ours here at WVVH Hamptons TV, Tony Variale of Hamptons Watercraft and Marine. And Tony, this is great catching up with you.
Well, it's good seeing you guys here again. I used to seeing you on the golf course. Nice to see you at the boat show.
Well, wherever we can be that we don't have to work that hard, you'll find my brother and myself. But New York Boat Show is a big show, and it's a big show for Hampton Watercraft and Marine, isn't it?
Yeah, we've been coming here for 15, 18 years now, and it's a big part of our business. We meet a lot of our customers who their primary home might be in Manhattan, and they might have a second home in the Hamptons where they would use us for purchasing and servicing their boat.
Tony, you're the president of Hampton Watercraft and Marine, and you guys have a great reputation. But we were talking about this. There's a reason for that. It's what you do.
Yeah, we pride ourselves on, I started this company when I was a kid washing boats at a yacht club, and we brought it along from a service standpoint first, and then we got into sales. So we realized that the service part of the business is really our main focus, and when we sell a customer a boat, we wrap it around with service. We start by teaching them how to use the boat with our captain's lesson, and then we offer dockside service to them wherever they keep the boat to make sure that everything is running properly. If they need an additional lesson on how to use perhaps the electronics or some of the functions of the boat, we would actually go out and reteach them how to use that as well.
Boston Whaler. We're here at the Boston Whaler exhibit here at the New York Boat Show. You guys have been a dealer of Boston Whaler for a number of years. It's a great product line, isn't it?
Yeah, we've been a dealer for, again, 15, 18 years, and we love the product. It's the safest product on the water, the driest product on the water, the most stable product on the water. It's the highest quality in its class, for sure. So we're really proud to be a Boston Whaler dealer. We're a master dealer, which is their highest recognition from a customer service standpoint. We take a lot of pride in that. We're a certified dealer through the Marine Industry Association, and we really pride ourselves in selling quality brands and wrapping them around with quality service after the fact.
Tony Variale, president of Hampton Watercraft and Marine. How can our viewers get in contact with you?
Well, they can reach us via phone. We're at 631-728-8200 is our Hampton Bays Marina location. And we have a location in West Hampton Beach on Montauk Highway, and that's 288-2900. And they can always reach me by email at tony@hamptonwatercraft.com. And our website is hamptonwatercraft.com.
Excellent. Good catching up with you.
Same here.
See you on the golf course.
Yes. See you.